So welcome back to Corolla POV, and it's been a while, অনেক দিন পরে videotaping again because of many things, change of lifestyle, change of job. Here we are back again. Wait a second. Thank you. Okay. As you can see, in my new car, from my old Toyota Corolla 2004 to this Toyota Corolla 2012. It's the same car, but known as Axio. It's a non-hybrid, and I got it second-hand. The old car, the previous car, was fantastic, but I had to let it go for many different reasons. One of them was the engine was blown. Unfortunately, when I was traveling really slow, I got a misfire as I was shifting from CNG to petrol, I guess. Yeah, that was the case. So from CNG to petrol, when I was shifting, there was a misfire in the first combustion chamber, and what it did is the connecting rod was bent instantly, and just as I accelerated, it created a lot of problem. The piston was destroyed, and I had to fix it, but as you know, it's a lot of hassle, and I fixed it. I didn't change the engine totally. I just overhauled the entire thing and then sold it to a nice gentleman who's still driving the car as it is, and he is loving it. So in the process, I had to spend many days in the garage keeping the car, and then I decided I need a car. I have so much things depending on this car, so I have to buy another one. And then I got this one. This is Corolla 2012 non-hybrid, and it's a G grade. It's the same car, even in silver color, black interior. Unfortunately, I couldn't match the wooden trims that was there in the Corolla G before. So yeah, there is not much of a change, but some upgrades like this buttons on the steering wheels, and nice sound system. The AC is good, and also the fuel efficiency and the CVT gear is fantastic. Many people complain about the CVT gear, but I'm enjoying this because this is actually really fast, and no complaints so far. Alhamdulillah, this car has been equally good so far. It's been a couple of months only, but I still miss my old G Corolla. I love that car. I've been to the entire Bangladesh in the same car. Everywhere I took it, and it served me well, unless that last instance, and that was not the car's fault. That was my mechanic's fault, because what he did, he actually was changing the mounting, engine mounting, and it was not properly tuned, and the car was like shaky, and I was pushing him like, what are you doing? And then what he did is like he fidgeted with the CNG tuning and petrol tuning and all this, and that's why when I was shifting from one fuel mix to another fuel mix, the misfire was there. It never happened before, and that was the only reason that happened. And yeah, it is completely on him. And what I have to say is, like, don't give your car to anyone when you're fixing. Like, you have to be there, stand in front of the car, and understand whatever is going on, because Bangladeshi mechanics are very efficient. That's sarcasm. So alhamdulillah, so far this car has been amazing, and definitely an upgrade from the previous car that I used to drive, in terms of speed and all. And the driving, this is a very tight car. It handles very, it's nimble. It's just one touch and the car moves. I don't need to even turn that much in the traffic jam. The steering is fantastic, especially the gearbox. It has a sports mode as well, so when you put it in sports mode, it becomes a different car. I'll show you another day. But even then, just I'll show you. Just and it's there. It's 100. Sorry, there is a traffic and I'm not allowed to go above 60. So yeah, just for an instance, I was overtaking that vehicle. I was pushing it. So it is how it is. It goes really fast, and if I'm in S mode, it is a different beast altogether. It becomes something else. So that's the best part about CVT gearbox. I had no idea before. Also, it's a bit boring because you don't feel the gear changing sensation anymore, but it's okay. You get used to it. So I get down at Farmgate. I have to say the brake is good as well. Obviously, it was a 2004 and this is a 2012. So yeah, but 2012 new shape. It's like the hybrid ones, but non-hybrid. The old shape of Axios, which is also Corolla, just the car in front of me, that car, that is not this one. This is the new shape, and so it has a whole different chassis. The chassis is different. It's called I guess it's TNGA platform, I don't know, but you have those winker mirrors and all these things. So it's not that one, the one in front of me, it's not that one, shape one. And it handles very, very well, I have to say. And I like this one specifically better than that one, because this one gives me the same vibe like my old Corolla 2004, the classic X Corolla that everybody calls it. Has the same shape as this one. This one looks exactly like that, like this one. This Corolla is my old Corolla. This Corolla and this Corolla looks almost same. Axio looks a bit different. So yeah. So after a long time I'm doing this video again. I thought I'm gonna get an Alien or a Premio, but you know something, if you sit in those car, I don't fit properly. It's very weird. I have to say the seat condition is very good. The cockpit, the chairs, I mean whatever you call it, the seat, driving seat is okay. It's very nicely made, but somehow I feel congested in that Alien or Premio when I'm driving. But whenever you're sitting in the back, it's a big car. But for Corollas or like Axios, whatever you call it, because it's the same thing, you would see that it's written there Corolla Axio. So they have the it's a wide sitting posture. You have plenty of room there. So yeah, I like it like that. Yeah, this is the and I didn't go for filter. because my wife doesn't like it, but I love Fielders. Fielder, I could have taken my bicycles, my son bicycle and my one, two of them in the car and go somewhere. That was the plan, to get a Fielder. But my wife, she's like, I don't like station wagons, and that's something very typical thing that you would see among all the girls. They like sedans, and my wife is exactly like any wife. She loves sedans because she doesn't like estate or wagon for some reason. But it's a more practical car, I have to say, because Axio Corolla and Axio Fielder both has their pros and cons. Like the Fielder, you can carry a lot of cargo, a lot of luggage and everything, and the back seat, the passenger seat on the back, can be reclined. You can recline the passenger seats as well, which you cannot do in the Axio at all. So, and all the Fielder comes with handrest on the back seat as a standard, but only the G Axios or Corollas comes with handrest. And this is also fully automatic. It has push start there, so it's keyless entry. That is something I am enjoying as well. Whenever you touch the door panel, it unlocks itself, and you have to touch the door handle again, and it locks itself, so you don't need to bring out your keys and anything. So these are the minor things. That is like an upgrade from my 2004, and the driving experience is not that bad. I have driven Alien 2009, 10 and all those things, Premio 910, even I think I have driven one new Premio. They're good to drive, but Corollas are Corollas. They're reliable. They gives you very good fuel economy, and the best part is that they are very nifty and nimble cars to drive in Dhaka traffic, not heavy like Premio or Alien. So I'm back in traffic, and I have to cut it short now because I don't want to grab attention, because I'm a bit shy after so many years, so many months of not making any videos. And this one has another feature. It's an auto dimming mirror, and the AC is also like very nice. It comes with this Nano E, which helps to actually protect you from all the sorry, I didn't notice that woman. Protect you from all the germs and dust coming into the car. So this is very good as well. And these buttons, I don't know whether you can see in the dark. This buttons on the steering wheel is like fantastic. After so many years of driving, I'm enjoying this new steering wheel, which is good. So that's it for today. I hope, inshallah, this car gives me good service like my old buddy Corolla G 2004. And as the channel is named after, I mean all the videos are named after Corolla POV, it will still be Corolla POV, Corolla point of view, because this is a Corolla. No change in it. It's not an Alien POV or anything else. It's Corolla POV still. Yeah, that's it, bros and sisters, if there is any girls watching this. It's the statistics says it's very minimum. Girls doesn't like car POV videos, I guess. But for the brothers, it's glad to be back.